Hello everyone! Welcome to PhysioExam Mastery. Whether you're preparing for the NLED, HAHAAG, MOH, Prometric, NPTE, or PPSC, SPSC, and FPSC, we've got you covered. In this channel, you'll find a ton of MCQs with explanations for every single topic that you need to know for your exam. We've got everything from musculoskeletal physiotherapy, neurological physiotherapy, pediatrics, cardiorespiratory, physiotherapy, sports and orthopedics, physiotherapy and trauma, geriatrics and community physiotherapy, electrotherapy and exercise therapy anatomy, physiology and pathology research, and evidence-based practice, as well as general medical and surgical conditions. We also do past paper discussions and focus on the most repeated questions for your exam. Plus, we've got quick revision videos on all the topics that you need to know for your exam. So, if you want to be a master of your physio exam, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos every single day. We also have an MCQ of the day feature where we post a new question every day for you to test your knowledge. So, make sure to follow us on social media for that. With this channel, you'll be one step ahead of everyone else, and you'll be a master of your physio exam in no time. Thank you.